welcome to my workshop. I decided to make a quick tour video of my work.
I recently-ish moved to a house with a separate garage barn building. I have one room that is dedicated to my shop. The rest of the building is horse stalls used for storage, and we keep our chickens in one of the horse stalls. My shop space is about 25 by 25 feet, I think. It is by far the biggest workspace I've ever had. It would get extremely cold in the winter, so we installed a wood stove for heating. In the summer it would get extremely hot here, but we recently installed reflective insulation on the ceiling. So even on the hottest days, I am somewhat able to work here. Previously, my whole workshop was just a table in a basement, and it was later moved to a garage. I've never really been able to do woodworking in the past. I would build things out of cardboard and hot glue, but I never realized I was capable of building better things out of wood. I had access to simple tools bought for home DIY projects, but I never used them. I wish I had started at least attempting woodworking years ago. I would probably be much better at it now, even with limited tools. But now, after being presented with this large space, it pushed me to really crack down and start creating. In the future, this channel will be focused on DIY projects and making, and hopefully inspiring others to do the same.